Throughout history, every major technological shift has created new waves of millionaires. The Industrial Revolution gave birth to factory owners who built massive fortunes. The internet age produced digital pioneers and e-commerce giants. And now, artificial intelligence is stepping into the spotlight as the fastest wealth generator humanity has ever seen. We are standing at the edge of a financial revolution. This next AI wave isn't just about robots and automation. It's about tools, platforms, and innovations that are moving faster than entire industries can adapt. And here's the truth. Those who catch this wave early will create wealth at speeds never seen before. In today's video, we will divide this entire discussion into 7 powerful points. Don't miss any of them, because each point could be your gateway to new opportunities. And before we start, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future videos that could change the way you think about money. Let's begin. Number 1. History repeats. Technology as the fastest wealth builder. If we look back, every era of wealth creation had one thing in common: technology. In the late 1800s, railroads and steel made millionaires. In the 1990s and early 2000s, the internet did the same for a new generation. And now AI is not just following the pattern, it's accelerating it. Why? Because AI has no borders. It can spread globally in seconds, scale instantly, and reach millions without requiring massive factories or physical infrastructure. This speed is why the next wave will create millionaires much faster than any previous revolution. The lesson is clear. When a disruptive technology appears, those who adopt it early don't just make money, they redefine industries. Number 2. AI-powered content creation. Right now, creators are building wealth at incredible speeds using AI. Entire YouTube channels, TikTok accounts, and blogs are powered by AI tools for scripting, editing, design, and voiceover. Think about this. Previously, making 100 videos in a year required a team, thousands of dollars, and months of work. Today, one person with AI can create the same volume of content in a fraction of the time. More videos mean more views, more ad revenue, and more opportunities for sponsorships. That's why faceless channels are scaling so fast. AI allows creators to dominate niches, publish consistently, and monetize at record speeds. The internet has always been a place where content is king, but now AI is making that crown accessible to anyone who's willing to learn the tools. Number 3. Freelancing supercharge. Freelancers were already earning well online, but AI has given them a massive edge. A copywriter who once wrote 10 articles a week can now deliver 20 or even 30 using AI as a drafting tool. Graphic designers use AI to generate creative concepts instantly, then refine them with their own skill. Video editors use AI for captions, effects, and rough cuts, saving hours of work. On platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, clients don't care how fast the work is done. They just want quality results. So freelancers who integrate AI can deliver faster, take on more clients, and grow their income dramatically. The next AI wave isn't replacing freelancers. It's making the best ones wealthier than ever. Number 4. AI startups and business building. Here's where fortunes are being made at lightning speed. AI startups. From healthcare to marketing to education, small teams are building tools that solve problems in ways humans never could. Investors are pouring billions into AI startups because they know the potential is limitless. But you don't need to be in Silicon Valley to benefit. Even small entrepreneurs are creating AI-powered products. For example, an AI tool that writes personalized emails, a chatbot that helps small businesses handle customers 24/7, a platform that designs real estate ads in seconds. These aren't just ideas, they're real businesses. And because AI reduces the cost of starting and running a company, one person can now launch something that looks like it was built by a whole team. That's why we're seeing million-dollar companies being created in record time. Number 5. Investing with AI. Another area where the next AI wave is creating millionaires is in finance. For decades, only hedge funds had access to algorithmic trading. Today, powerful AI tools for analyzing stocks, crypto, and real estate are available to anyone. AI doesn't predict the future perfectly, but it can spot patterns, trends, and risks much faster than humans. Traders and investors who combine their strategies with AI insights are gaining an edge, and in finance, even a small edge can translate into massive profits. Real estate investors are also using AI to find undervalued properties, predict market growth, and automate management tasks. The result, faster scaling, higher returns, and more wealth creation opportunities. Number 6, everyday people scaling with AI. The most inspiring part of this wave is that it's not limited to big businesses. Everyday people are using AI to multiply their income. Teachers are building online courses with AI helping design lessons. Shop owners are automating customer service with AI chatbots. Real estate agents are using AI to write property descriptions and generate leads. Individually, these might look like small wins, but together they add up. Extra clients, save time, increase sales. Over months and years, this compounds into serious money. For many people, it's the difference between just surviving and actually building wealth. Number 7, the window of opportunity. Every revolution has a window. The internet boom had one, crypto had one, AI has one too. The truth is, this window is wide open right now, but it won't last forever. As tools become mainstream, competition increases. As industries adapt, the easy wins disappear. That's why the people who act now, who learn, experiment, and adopt AI early, are the ones who will see the fastest gains. The sad reality? Most people will wait. They'll say it's too complicated, too risky, or just a passing trend. But those who step in now are planting seeds that will grow into fortunes in the years to come. The next AI wave will make millionaires faster than ever before because it combines speed, accessibility, and scalability in ways no previous technology has. From content creation to freelancing, startups to investing, everyday use to massive industries, AI is reshaping wealth creation on every level. The only question is, will you watch this revolution happen or will you ride the wave? Because 5 years from now, we'll look back at this moment and realize it was the chance of a lifetime. So if this video opened your eyes, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and get ready. We're just at the beginning of something extraordinary.